In this real review, we're going to be taking a look at a product called ConversioBot, which is a software that helps you create chatbots on your websites. Now, if you look here, one thing that is important, that I really think is important, is that they're actually using it on their website. I don't know how many products I see. They claim that this next software is so great, it works with websites and WordPress and whatever and sales pages, and then they don't even use it on their own sales page for whatever. It might be a video software, it could be some kind of copywriting software, whatever it might be, and they don't even use it on their own page. So I think it speaks a little bit more about the software when they actually use it on their own stuff. Okay, so I'd say that's a plus when you look at something like this. Okay, just right off the bat. Now, one thing to pay attention to here is that the way they're using their own software, these chatbot creation software on their website, is they're basically letting you go through here. It's going to be pretty interactive, and then at the end of it, it's going to give you a 15% discount. Now you'll look down here, you'll also see there's a button that says 10% discount. But let me tell you right now that you should just ignore both of these things and use this instead. What you could do is, if you're already looking to buy this, or you're just watching this video and then watching it again, and just go ahead and go to the link in the description area, go to the sales page, and when you go to checkout, if you're already pretty much sold or whatever, you can see, look at this. You could actually use this and this discount code Carly25. Scroll down here, right here. You see, I've put it in there before, and it's going to be $27.75 instead of $37. Go ahead and use that. I just want you to get the best price for it. Now, when we come back to this page, you'll see that there's a bot that took over the center of our screen. Now, this is actually something that's not included on the front end, so pay attention to that. Although they are using their own software, don't get misled that this is actually something that's included, because it's actually not on the front end. Okay, just keep that in mind. Now, they claim that they got 190,000 leads, over 6,000 sales in 6 months with just a little bit of code. I mean, that may be the case, but you don't know what kind of. They probably have a huge advantage, especially since they're a pretty big vendor on ClickBank. Okay, so and they've been around for a while. That's a good thing for them, right? Because like that means they're supporting the software and such. But it also means that if you're just a regular internet marketing or whatever you're going to use this for, marketing Joe Schmo, it's probably not as likely for you to make that much or get that many leads or get that many sales if that's what you're shooting for. Now, we could scroll down a little bit, and I just want to show you one thing before we continue, which is that what it works with, claims to work with. Our sophisticated bot code works with ClickFunnels, Convertry, all the HTML websites, GrooveFunnels, ClickBank, and I haven't tested it on anything else other than WordPress. So that's just my experience with it. But if you look here, it also works with Aweber and other email marketing automation software. And then you can see there's webinar software and also just automation software like Zapier. Okay, and works in any language supposedly, but I've only used this with English, so you can test that out for yourself. And of course, you can visit the sales page. There's a demo down here somewhere. You can keep scrolling down for that. Now we'll just take a look at the dashboard, and I want to tell you a few things about that. Okay, so here we are on the dashboard of ConversioBot. So if you look here, you'll see a big old banner. You can watch this before you start. This is a video that's gonna just show you around, show you what to expect from these bots and such. And I'd say go ahead and take a look at that. Right, it's gonna help you out. So you will notice that there are several active products, as they call them. This one's just going to be a link to a webinar. If you look here, the guy's just linking you to a webinar class to register, and you'll see here that he's using a bot to get people to register for his webinar. Nothing wrong with that. It's good to use your own stuff when you're selling stuff to people that are looking to buy stuff to sell their own stuff. If that makes sense, right? I like that, right? So if you look here, I did buy the chatbot builder, AutoChat Builder. So that's something I'll show you here after I'll show you the initial ConversioBot Pro. Because I did actually purchase that myself. So might as well show you what you'll get. Down here, you see this. This is another little thing they're selling, another thing they're selling here. So can't blame me for that. That's just the way it goes. And again, I think this is a link to that webinar as well right here. If you look here, this is the bonus training, which is going to be like, I think it was a live workshop of live bot clinic. Okay, so they're reviewing bots, live mastermind, live. I haven't checked any of these out, so it'd be interesting to do that. I just haven't really looked into those. Over here is the builder training. You can get kind of a general overview of the chatbots. Check out the videos. I looked through some of them. I don't know why it's showing that I didn't, but I'm sure I did. I don't know why I took that off, but or I might have gone through the advanced. I don't remember. But I mean, I learned from watching these videos. There's some good stuff here. Um, And then over here, of course, they might try to sell you something here and there. And look over here, there's 52 videos. What the heck? Oh, this is the webinar. I bet you this is a webinar as well. Because there's 52 videos, yeah. So yeah, that stuff's gonna happen, right? And here's the extreme. That's an upsell too. So just know they're gonna keep selling to you on this page, right? Nothing wrong with that. If it's bothersome, then I understand. But just know that's something to expect. Okay, you make of it what you will. Now, with that said, here is I wanted to show you. Oh, I did want to show you your bots, but I did want to show you one thing before that, right? So if you look here, guys, what you get with the front end is these three quote unquote bonuses, okay? Which is a commercial license. Basically lets you sell this as a service or whatever. Local businesses, social media guys, bricks and mortars, whatever. Anything here that you think would suit you. Then down here you get unlimited chatbots, which that seems like a silly bonus to me sometimes. Just you can use I don't know what unlimited. Where's that capped off at? But really, are you going to sell 100,000 of them? Probably not. Um, but I don't know. I don't know you. Anyways, you have done for you AI chatbot templates. So basically, this is 10 done for you AI chatbot, and this is kind of interesting because I'm not sure if if I accidentally purchased more with the upgrade that I bought. So, or not purchased more, but it came along with the package for the AutoChat Builder. But I will show you here. You know what? We can go ahead and take a look at them. So if you look here, guys, these are the chatbots that you not auto chatbots, but they're done for you chatbots that you get. This one, for instance, is a one that by the way, you can just hit preview on any of these and you can see if you like them, and you can purchase ones, or you can purchase the upsell to get the ones that are locked. That's an upgrade, but anything that says unlocked, you can actually, make that into one of your own bots and customize it for whatever you got going on. You can see this is a supplement. If you go down further, you can see that there is the ConversioBot for ClickBank and the ConversioBot for JVZoo, and you can go ahead and put your links for that. You can see that I think I ended up using this for one of my websites. But you can see I have a bunch of them available, and like I said, I don't know if that's on the front end. If you get these, cool. If you don't, then it may be because I got the auto chatbot upgrade. Now, next we'll look at the my bots. So my bots is basically where you can start building your bots from scratch. I would recommend that you use one of those templates, but I am going to show you one of my bots, right? So one of my bots is this one. In fact, I'm going to delete this one because this was an auto chat bot. So ConversioBot 2292 demo. I actually have this on one of my websites. So I want to show you what it looks like building one of these, right? So this is what it looks like. It looks kind of tricky and all this stuff. If you're new to this stuff, it's basically saying that if this and that, and you can add GIFs, you can add little videos and such, which is kind of cool. Let's go to the next block. And this next block, you can go in here and start customizing stuff, right? Right here, this is a chat bot, right? You can see it right here. See what it looks like, and you can see that you can start messing with colors if you want to. You can put gradients in there and such. You can do stuff, different shapes for the messages. I don't see the point of that. You can do different stuff with the user message. The text, you can make it bigger or different font, and then you can put full page. But you know what? I don't think you could do that on this one because you don't have the extreme. So, and there's even some custom CSS you can do, but if I don't know the first thing about CSS, so just letting you know that's something that's on here. And then here's different icons you can use. You can actually add one of your own if you would like from different sources, right? Or you can have your own, or maybe you find something somewhere else from a website somewhere. Maybe you find something on like a common, what is it? Where you can go get free images. In other words, to use for commercial purposes. All right. I forget what the wording is for that, but that's something you can do. We'll go to the next part, and right here you can actually see that my bot's name. This is an extreme feature. Some of these features will not be included, right? So if you use a custom domain, that's an extreme feature. Now, if you don't know what that means, basically that means that, like, let's say you have a website where you're showing off your bot service, and the name of your website is, mikesbots.com or something, and then Mike's Bots would lead them to to this bot page, right? Or whatever, to this bot, right? So you could do something like that. set it and say, but you have to set it up. Okay, so I'm not doing that, so I'm not gonna tell you much more about that other than that's an extreme feature, and that's kind of what that is. Okay, and then this is page settings. Page settings would give you more stuff, so you can do embedded bots. You can do this is an upsell, by the way. This is that full page bot that we saw earlier. Whenever I try to leave the page, you see exit pop-ups. When I try to leave, this came up, and you see this is not included on the front end. This is actually an upsell, and I think it's like $67 or something like that. We'll click here and check it out. I checked earlier, and you cannot get a discount on this one. So bummer. I tried that same code, didn't work. But yeah, just know that's the thing. Over here, you can have the bot resume previous conversation. So basically, if somebody was talking to the bot, they can talk to it again. And I guess these are the amount of days. If you look here, there's a widget setting where you can, this is a basic feature. You can have it auto close bot. So you can auto close the bot at the end of the chat. I don't have that turned on. You can show this on specific pages or hide it on specific pages. These are more extreme features, so I won't go over them. You can use sounds. You can use privacy policy settings, GDPR. You can actually receive emails when people get to certain goals. So, and then right here, you can customize what you receive in the email. So let's say you're able to put like, hey, you just got a new cell, right? Like only advise me when somebody, not a new cell, but maybe you just got a new click or something, you know. Right here, I just want to see, my goal is only to see who actually, you know, put yes to a ConversioBot question. And I've tested this out, and it does send me emails. You can even go further and, you know, like start building an email list, right? Yeah, say you have Aweber, start adding people to a certain list. Aweber, you know, MailChimp, GetResponse, whatever it is you got, you can start building up an email list for people that visit your pages and they want to know more about your products, right? Let's say they get to your page and they're like, hey, you want a freebie just for being here? And then boom, you got somebody on your email list, right? Maybe they're not interested in that specific product, but then you can start building your list because they're you know, you're in the right ballpark, right? You're like, hey, now that you're here, you know, whether or not I've done this in the past, by the way, whether or not you pick up ConversioBot or you go see it or whatever, I want you to give you a free gift either way. And then boom, you can get somebody onto your email list, right? All right. So that's a goal setting you can set and then have it emailed to you. Here's the analytics you can do. You can do, you know, Google Ads stuff, Google Analytics, conversions, and then Facebook pixels and stuff like that. So if you want to start building up that stuff, you can do that, and even JavaScript. And then you can do branding too. So this is kind of important because at the bottom of the page, so for instance, I built a bot on this page, and at the bottom of the bot, you're going to see is ConversioBot. This is actually an affiliate link. So people like that bot. If you want to actually put the name of the bot and do the branding, or let's say you have a bot service, and then that bot service is like saying, hey, you like this bot, check out my website here, and right here they can go fill out a form, and you know, on that website, whatever website it is, and then boom, you got a client that's like, hey, I love the bot on your website, can you build something like that for me? You know what I mean? And then you got some business there, right? So pretty cool. You can either turn that off or on too, right? So it doesn't mean you have to have it on, right? So that's kind of neat too. All right, on this next part, let's see. This is where you install the bot, right? This is where you publish it, right? So you can either grab this code, this is JavaScript, and you see, just click it and it'll copy it, and you can put it in the header section, right before the ending head tag on the website, right? Now I'm pretty dumb so about this stuff. I have to look up coding stuff, even simple stuff sometimes. So if you want to just like save from that, if you don't have to do that and you have to have a WordPress site, honestly, just go download the WordPress plugin. Super simple to do. If you look here on this page, you get to this right here. Just go to this and add a page. Add the bot ID. If you look back here, here's the bot ID, right? I just copy it to clipboard, add it here, save it, and then launch it. Ready to go. Right? Keep things simple. Keep things simple if you have a WordPress website and you're kind of just like don't want to mess around with code like me. Now, if you have the other websites like they mentioned over here on the sales, you know, I don't even go over there, but like you know, ClickFunnels, you know, the GrooveFunnels and such like that, then you might want to start using this. Or if you're wanting to do even more with it, you can, you know, use exit intents and pop-ups and stuff like that. You might want to consider the extreme version of this, but that's completely up to you. Just letting you know that might be something to consider. If not, you could just, you know, mess with the code. I'm not saying you have to do that. I'm just saying it is kind of cool, even if you have a WordPress website, you know, using the iframe and such, and just making things a little bit easier. So yeah, that's kind of cool. So now this is actually set up on this website over here. I'll put a link to it in the if you look in the description there, there'll be a link to go check this out. And I have a button on here for you to go buy it, and then I have a button on this page to go buy it. So just showing you a couple different ways that you can use this for affiliate marketing, which is one little part, or one big part, better yet, of how you can use a chatbot. There's other things you can use it for, but I imagine if you're watching this, you're probably interested in affiliate marketing, since you're in the make money online space, probably. So that's one way to do it. But just know that you can actually do different things, right? You can do some local marketing. You can use it for a local car wash and say, hey, how about I make your website and put a discount code on here, and we have and build an email list, or whatever it is you think you can learn, right, and do, right. So, and then offer it as a service, right? I mean, something that you charge for every month, right? So yeah, that's an option, right? So now getting back over here, we're going to look at the AutoChat Builder, and I always forget where to click. It's actually right here at the top. All right, so the AutoChat Builder is actually an upgrade I bought myself. Like I said, I don't know if that added more templates, but maybe it did, and it just takes a little bit to load. So it's pretty fast. Let's go ahead and create it again. Let's put auto demo. All right, you can actually put an icon here. You can upload a 100 by 100 dimension image. I'm just going to go ahead and use the same guy that's too cool for school. And boom, you're ready to go, as long as you can go ahead and pick something here. Let's go to discount coupon. Let's just collect the email address. Let's put a discount coupon. Let's put 50, please. Put in caps, please. And off. And you could use this for whatever, right? It could be a product. If you have a digital product of yourself, let's say you're using something like PLR. Let's say you go and buy some PLR, you rebrand it, as your own, rewrite it a little bit, and maybe add a little bit more to it and make it an actual product. Then you can have something to offer, right? Hey, here's my first product ever, right? And for 24 hours, I'm going to be offering this for $5, right? And then after that, it's going to 17, right? That could be something you do today if you have that, right? Heck, I could do that too, right? So just something to think about. Let's put 24 hours here. And then if you want to display your contact information, I'm going to put yes, but I'm not going to do it because it ended up putting some personal information on here. So I'm not going to do that. And then you can put a business logo here as well if you'd like. So a couple of options there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off. I don't need to do that. I will just end up using the same little thing. Let's clone it and launch. And it's pretty fast, right? If you don't want to mess with that other stuff, which I don't know if you need this, but like I'm looking at it and I'm just like, honestly, I think I could have done without it. To be honest, but if you're just like, this is good. You know what this is good for? This is good for just getting going, because like, let's say you don't like those templates that are on there and you just want something like this, and you can just go in here and go back to my bot. You'll see that it's created, and now you can go play with it, right? The auto demo. Now you can go see what it's all about. You can, in fact, what you could do is go here and preview it, see what you like about it, see what you don't. Let's see, where's the preview? Oh, it's actually on the next part. I'm sorry. So we go in here, we can actually preview it, see what this bot looks like. For me, it's a little bit not my personality. It's okay. You've been selected to receive a discount, right? Winner. I would probably change that. I would probably do something kind of funny. That's me personally. And then right here, who doesn't like a discount, right? They start doing that. You can put some more GIFs in here, some videos or whatever. You can add people to an email list if you like. I think right here they even add, they ask for an email. And you see right here, it says, by clicking here, you accept our GDPR compliance. So you can also use this to stay compliant, right? So something to think about there too, right? So yeah, it's a little bit more intricate, but than my other bot. And just preview it, see if you like what it's doing, and the parts you don't like, go ahead and mess with it. You can actually just click on that leg of the thing and say, okay, I don't want to do that. You can make it, be more seconds here and there. You can add a video. You can do all kinds of stuff. So there's really a lot you can do. I'm not going to go into every single little thing, but I'm just showing you that there's a lot you can do with this little bot, right? So pretty cool little software. So all in all, I do like this product. I think it's a cool product. I think it's something you can use to to start increasing your affiliate sales, to start possibly doing a local service, to maybe use this to install on people's websites. There's different angles to use this with, right? There's different angles. I mean, you could really go out there and start messing with this and create a website and just say, hey, I just built a bot on my website. If you like this, I'm offering this to install this on your website for $97, one-time fee. Boom, $47, whatever it is, right? Whatever it is. You never know until you try it. It could be something that actually makes you some money this week, today, tomorrow. If that's what I like about it, you could actually move pretty fast with this. So overall, I do like ConversioBot. I'm not crazy about some of the scarcity here and the the discount codes being 10, 15%, and then really it's 25% off or whatever. But I don't care. At the end of the day, what I like is the product. It's fairly easy to use. It does have decent training, and it's been around for a while. It's not something like on Warrior Plus where you see these vendors come in and just really put a crap product out, and they just have no support or no real product to begin with. This is an actual real product, and the guy's been around for some time, and it's a little bit more trustworthy if you ask me. No product is perfect, but I do like how this works. So yeah, if you want to check out ConversioBot, just go ahead and check out the link in the description area below. You can go check out this page and either check out the chatbot, see if you like it, click on here, and then you'll see a link to go pick up ConversioBot, or you can just hit this big old green button that says bot me up, and of course that's going to take you over there too, right? So anyways, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope that if you have any questions or thoughts or anything like that, you leave a comment below. Consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the bell notification to get notified of any future videos. And yeah, just thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.